Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to remote learning. Grade 9. This is our third lesson of remote learning, and we are revising our first chapter, the role of science and technology in our life. Our chapter is same. We talked about what is science. We talked about how it is playing some important role. We discussed its past when it was evolving among the human beings. We discussed how the nature was created and how the scientists were exploring the evolution of the nature. We also discussed how the knowledge of different aspects was progressing day by day and how the scientists they played an important role in the progress of different branches of science. We discussed the role of Muslim scientists as well as those who were not Muslim but they played a vital role in the development of science. We discussed the importance of some important branches of science, how they help us in our daily life in different sectors and different areas. We discussed about how the biology is helpful in the study of living things. We talked about the mathematics, how it helps us in calculation and number counting. We talked about how the science would be helpful in understanding of geography and the areas of the earth within its surface. We talked about how the science could show that the matter has different states and all the states are different from each other and how different branches of science could be related with each other. We discussed about the fact that every state of matter is made up of smaller particles and these particles they are joined up in a particular way in every state of matter. We also discussed the relation between different branches of science. Here we will discuss some more little about the role of science and technology in our life. As we all know, today we are facing a serious situation of pandemic. Here we listen a word vaccine very quite oftenly. So the development of vaccine is another science related with biological uh, relations. Biology and its progression made it possible that human beings worked through genetic engineering and developed the vaccines for the treatment of diseases. Vaccines and seras they were investigated and discovered and researches were there in their development as well. It took time, but nowadays, as we all can see and listen, that especially this pandemic disease is going to be treated with the vaccine, which is even in the phase of evolution. So, we can say that biology is playing a very important role in the discovery of antibiotic, drugs, medicines, serums, and many types of vaccines for the treatment and cure of various diseases. We came across many diseases day by day, and even the investigation is still going on and it will continue. It is not a matter to be stopped, it is a matter of a cyclic chain that it will continue until unless the human life is present on the earth. So nowadays in the daily life if we could see the daily used articles they are made as a research and development in various fields of science. Even a wheel is you can say the result of the more thought of human being and the evolution of his creative mind. It is the development that the man starting from wheel created different simple and then now modern vehicles which help us in even the fields and even throughout the world we use various kinds of vehicles for our various purposes. Now, generation of electricity and its use, there are a tremendous achievements in the field of science and technology. The physics in the field of electronics is very broad. Electricity is not only useful within our domestic life, but it is also playing an important role in the life and running the uh, events of life very smoothly. For example, we need electricity in our industry, in our agriculture, in our various development projects. So, industrial production is not possible without electricity. So, appliances they work and they need electricity. So, the all development in the field of appliances themselves and the electricity as well, which runs these appliances, is the result of the development in the field of science and technology. So this is an important part of our daily life, that we use electronics, we use the gadgets, and we make use them in our industries as well, and they are all as a result of the development and progress in the science and technology. Moreover, this discoveries are made. There are many sort of inventions are there, starting from telephone, wireless, radios, television, computers, satellites, communication systems. So man has even approached the space. And here the most important part could be seen, that while sitting in our home, we can see the programs or the events which are going to happen in the other part of the world through the satellite TVs. If we are sitting here during the daytime, we can see them, even any program which is going to be conducted at the night time in the other part of the world through these satellite televisions or satellite whatever they are sent in the space. And even nowadays, the upcoming weather forecast is done with the help of the satellites. So the computer is another important invention and bringing about the revolution in every person's life. We all know that we are today learning through internet, and we are taking our online classes through this internet and our modern gadgets. So that is how we are using the modern technology. We are sending our information through emails and messages as well. We are getting the information while sitting at our home conveniently by means of the videos, the pictures, the information engines or the search engines. They serve various purposes of providing the information to the customers, whether they are the students or those who are doing the research work. So the science and technology has made the life of the people comfortable in various aspects, and nowadays, even starting from the agriculture, pesticide, insecticides, and many types of sprays, they could be used along with the modern machinery to improve the development and the growth of the agricultural products. And even for our treatment and the treatment of the livestock, we also use the modern and uh, improved techniques for the cure and betterment of the health and lifestyle. So there are many fields which are yet to be under the evolution phase, and we are still working on them. So research is going on almost every field, and every aspect of science is under the evolution and development and progress day by day. So that was all, boys and girls, for today. What you have to do, there is only one question that I would like you to attempt, which is in past paper of 2018, which is related with the role of science and technology in our life. So write down the role of science and technology in our life. This question is also in 2018 past paper, so I will write it for your homework as well. So do it and submit it timely in the Google Classroom. See you soon inshallah. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.